Okay, so I've already taken off the wheel. We got 3 cotter pins. Here's one cotter pin with the, sorry, that's the tie rod end. One behind where we're going to loosen by the ball joint. And then you've got one more on the axle. Sorry, this is old recording, doing a voiceover for you guys. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and loosen the tie rod bolt. So we're going to pop it loose with the joint separator. It's already done here. Do be careful not to destroy the bushing. Alright, now you got another bolt right behind. You're going to loosen this. Once you loosen it, you're going to separate it, pry it open with something to pry it. I'm using a chisel here. Once you separate it, you want to get yourself a pry bar and pry under the control arm, just as you see here. And you use that lever pressure to wiggle loose from the ball joint. That's what the bolt you were just separating. Now here's a new one. Nice and clean. Different from what traditional and what I'm used to. We got the new one in. Now this gets a little tricky. Making sure you line this up and it gets back into place. Same way you were taking it off. Like it's showing you here, using the pry bar, prying the control arm down. So you see I had a little difficulty getting the ball joint pin back into the socket. But once you get it in there, you'll put your pin back in, not the pin, but the bolt back in. Put your nuts on, tighten them down, put your cotter pins back in. Once it's all tightened down, cotter pins in, put your wheel on, and you're done. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe bell button, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.